Hey kids, it's me and Chance. So we're going to show you just how quiet it is here in KidzZone and why the missing piece is you. Come on, take a look. No Brother John, no Sister Shirley, Sister Calissa's room. We're missing you. What's the one thing that I'm always looking for? My glasses. Made sure I had them today. First and second grade, we're missing you. No one running down the halls. Do kids run around the halls in KidzZone? Of course they do. They're kids. And Miss Dean, it's so quiet in here. There's no singing. He's got the whole world in his hands. There's none of that going on in here. It's just... What's that sound? That sound is quiet. It's quiet where you are? Okay, let's go down the hallway. Our game room's quiet too. It's empty. So as we continue down our hallway, it's quiet. It's quiet. It's quiet. See our wall? Isn't it lovely? Yeah, if I could sing like Stevie Wonder, I'd sing, isn't it lovely? Oh, I'm not Stevie Wonder, but it's lovely. It is. It's really lovely. Yes, it is. You know what? Shout out to Sister Teresa. Yes, and Gabrielle, she helped too. So it's lovely. But it's missing you. So we're headed over to check-in. You want to check in? You want to check in, Chance? Oh, that's right. There's no check-in. We're missing you. That's right. We're missing you. So we can't wait till you're back. There should be no snow when we're back. There should be lots of noise, lots of laughter. Oh, that's right. Remember, I told you I got jokes. You want to hear the joke about the pizza? Never mind. It's too cheesy. See, I got jokes. Do you know why the football coach went to the bank? Why? Oh, Chance wants to know why. To get his quarterback. Hey, that's funny. See, Chance thinks it's funny. I do too. Okay, let's see. Could I possibly have one more? Let me see. I have to look. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. So I'm going to sit right here just like I'm waiting for you all to go to the bathroom. You know how we sit at the little table? Why was the cat afraid of the tree? You know? Let's see if Chance knows. Do you know? I think he's thinking. Yeah, he's thinking. I don't think he knows. Because of its bark, of course. You know, cats, dogs. See, he thought it was funny. I got jokes. All right, you got jokes? Send me a joke. Remember, our email is KidzZone at worldoutreachbtc.org. Have your parents or use tech savvy. Send me a joke. I'll put it up online. Missing you. Love you all.